That was haunting. But what's not haunting is how much work the IBM Cloud just did for you. In addition to the Cloud Foundry app it created already, it's now given you a GitHub repo that's set up to track issues and code changes. You have access to the Eclipse Orion Web IDE if you want to develop your code inside the browser, and you have a delivery pipeline to automatically build and deploy your app whenever you push code into the repo. Before you go, do one more thing. Add a NoSQL database service. Start by clicking on the catalog link at the top of the console. As you saw earlier, the catalog has many types of options. You're looking for databases, so you can click the Data tab and view the choices there. Or you can go to the search bar and type in Cloudant. As you can see, there are some boilerplate apps that contain a Cloudant database, but all you want here is the service. Click Cloudant NoSQL DB to create that service. This page has information about the service itself. Feel free to read through the documentation here, but all you really care about is the pricing plan. You're looking for the Lite plan, also known as the Free plan. That's checked by default, so go ahead and click the Create button. You'll see a brief message when the service is created, then a few seconds later, you're taken back to the management page for your new service. By the way, the system generates a unique name for the service when you create it, so the name on your screen will be different. Whatever it's called, click the Connections tab on the left. Because you just created the service, there aren't any connections, so click the Create Connection button and you'll see a list of your Cloud Foundry applications. Click the Connect button next to your app. You'll get a message that the app needs to be restaged. Go ahead and click the Restage button. You'll see that your app has a status of staging. If you refresh the page, at some point, you'll see your app is up and running again. That sets the stage for what you'll do with this app in the future, but for this video, we'll stop here. There are 3 other videos in this series. All of them take this application one step further. Here's a quick peek at what that application looks like and how it works. You start with a web form. The form is built with Bootstrap, so you have lovely rounded corners and the page is responsive. When a user fills in the form and clicks Submit, your advanced app will take that data, store it in your Cloud database, and display a confirmation page. The other videos show you how to build that application in 3 different ways. As a more advanced Cloud Foundry application, building on what you've done here, as a Docker image running inside a Kubernetes cluster via the IBM Container Service, and as an application that handles database access with a microservice running using IBM Cloud Functions. We'll also include a bonus video showing you how to build a flying car using the IBM Cloud Platform. That concludes our introduction to the IBM Cloud Platform. With very little effort, you were able to create an app, deploy it worldwide, and create infrastructure around that app, such as a GitHub repo, a continuous delivery pipeline, and a NoSQL database. The IBM Cloud lets you focus on writing great code, not on installing and configuring infrastructure. We encourage you once more to get an IBM Cloud Lite account. If you follow the steps covered here, you'll have code you can use as you start to build your own amazing applications. Thanks so much for watching. In addition to the other videos in this series, be sure to check out the DeveloperWorks mailbag page. It contains many videos that show you how to use more features of the IBM Cloud Platform. In the meantime, this is Doug Tidwell saying may all your bugs be shallow. Cheers.